Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, I want to show you here one video where we talk about the main question, why do retail investors often lose money when trading? If you ask ChatGPT that question, the answer which ChatGPT gives you at rank number 1 is because retail investors have no real trading plan. So there are now two options, guys. I started this channel here in 2023. And of course, the main purpose is to educate you in trading. So what can I do? I can do everyday trading videos and share my knowledge and hope that people find this channel here and see those videos. Or second, I can try to build my knowledge into trading indicators, guys. So if you have no real trading plan, this is very, very risky, guys. You need to know where you enter a stock, where you want to exit a stock, and you need, and most of people, or most of new traders ignore that, you always need a stop loss. There is never a guarantee that a trading strategy works, guys. So I will show you here one of my indicators. This is of course not financial advice, but I made a couple of indicators by myself. Why? Because TradingView, guys, the screen which you see here is called TradingView. This is the program which I'm using since I don't know how many years, guys. And this is my daily program where I also try to spot potential trades, right, for a long play or short. And yeah, what I did now is I created my own indicators, and one of them, which I want to show in this video, is the so-called RSI Ultimate Indicator. If you use TradingView, you can use an RSI indicator. There are plenty of RSI indicators available, but to be honest, guys, this is just my opinion as a trader. I never found an indicator in TradingView which really fit my purpose, which really was able to spot early signals before the show starts, right? Before the party starts. So this is why I made these indicators by myself. This indicator, which I present here in the video, is called the RSI Ultimate Indicator. All indicators, guys, are available in the video description. So what is this indicator doing, guys? As I said before, it tries to spot early trading signals. And what I mean by early signals is so-called bullish entries and bearish entries, right? So when bears start to open short positions or bulls start to open long positions. I choose now here one stock. The ticker is called BDSX, because we have here the situation that we had here 3 Powerball signals on the RSI Ultimate Indicator. You can see that here, guys, Powerball signal, Powerball signal, Powerball signal. And every time when the RSI Ultimate Indicator printed this signal here, we had a technical reaction. So let's check that together here, guys. The first signal was here. So what the indicator is doing, it prints some colored candles. You can, of course, enable and disable these candles here in the settings. But what we had here, we had a Powerball signal, and the technical reaction which the stock made after that was 27%. Not a big squeeze, but at least 27% technical reaction when this signal has been printed. Then you can see we had here a constellation of 2 Powerball signals. So that was a real shakeout attempt by the market makers. So just in case, guys, I don't say that, you know, this is a 100% guarantee, guys. No indicator in the world gives you a guarantee, especially when companies starting to dilute. So when they start to dilute, you might see these signals here, but the stock is still going down. So you have to make your homework. You cannot blindly trust any indicator, guys. But this indicator here, I made it as precise as possible. And if necessary, I will even develop it further again in future to make it even more sharp. But here we can also see after the Powerball signal, the stock made a move of around 50%. So if just to assume, guys, that the price action was caught here when the signal appeared, the stock still moved here by 35%. So we had here a small bull alert. This is also a bullish signal. Also with a technical reaction, the Powerball signal is the strongest signal which we can get. So the next Powerball signal was here, May 2025. And you can see that the stock made a almost 200% price move. So to show you that, guys, that, you know, it is easy to say, yeah, that happened in the past, right? So that is easy to say. So let's just check now if the indicator is still right again. We are now here in the presence. I press now play. So if this indicator works, guys, when we see here a Powerball signal coming up, bull alert is good, Powerball is even better. We might see a potential squeeze. We can see that also here in the Gap Indicator Pro. Also one of my very popular indicators here, that we have one open gap at $9.16. So based on the closing price, which we had here end of December 2025, there is a 34% price move possible. Gap indicator pro, guys, is also a very popular indicator. A lot of people, by the way, using already my indicators. I just want to continue to make some kind of explanational videos that you get more, that you get a look and feel how these indicators works. So then let's press play in TradingView. Let's see if we get again a powerball signal and if the result is again a potential squeeze or not. So here we go. Play, play, play. So the price is dropping down. I will pause the video for a second. What we can see, guys, so if you are not familiar with chart drawings, chart techniques, right, there are a lot of trading patterns, guys, in the market. I have plenty of videos available where I go and really depth with trading patterns. For example, Intel stock had a perfect Wyckoff accumulation pattern, guys. And by the way, I mean, you can see that here, Intel is now up here after this last dip, last point of support, last point of supply was here 160% is now Intel up. And what we can see, of course, guys, in the RSI Ultimate indicator, we also had a powerball signal exactly here at the lowest point. That's why I say that works for almost every stock in the market. I have also a lot of short squeeze plays and breakout stocks, or let's call it trading ideas, available on Patreon. If you want to see those stocks, guys, just click the links in the video description. So for this stock here, for BDSX, that's why I say you cannot only trust on indicators, you have to know where the potential support is waiting. And what we can see is that this stock has some kind of support here at $5.95 here in that range is a potential support. What does that mean? When this stock is not diluting, we have here a potential rebound zone. Everything below that is a dip or even a fake out, which can lead into a bigger squeeze. So then let's press play again. We don't have yet here a powerball signal, guys. Keep that in mind. So guys, there we go. So now we have our powerball signal. For me as a trader, guys, not financial advice. We are trading below this price level here. There are no open down gaps in the daily chart. Gap indicator is not showing any down gaps, which means the price don't has to come lower. Of course it can. That's why always please work with a stop loss. But we know that latest here at $5 is some support waiting and that we could see a rebound happen. Right now, the open gap, which the gap indicator pro is showing, shows a 67% potential up move. But of course, the stock can squeeze higher if the volume is coming in. Let's press play and let's see what happened then. Oh yeah, that was quick, guys. Okay, so I was really surprised right now. So we can see that was only one candle. We had just right now the powerball signal, then a massive candle. The gap, by the way, guys, has been filled. The gap is not there anymore, the open gap. That's why you see now here this green box. The gap indicator turns these green lines into green boxes when the gaps has been filled. And now you can see that this stock made a move of 87%. What is a very nice squeeze. The EMA indicator here is also showing potential resistance levels, guys. All indicators are made by myself here. So you can see that the price got stopped out here exactly at this black EMA line. And yeah, but in total here, a very nice, beautiful squeeze with, again, a powerball signal. So guys, so that might mean that if as soon as this stock here, BDSX, comes down again, prints again a powerball signal, that we might see a squeeze again. This is not financial advice. Yeah, keep in mind we had here a stock split, so that means that the company may start to dilute the stock in future. I just want to show you here one more time how the indicators work, guys. I have also an indicator which is called the Squeeze Calendar Pro. This indicator even projected the GameStop short squeeze back in 2021. You can see my videos on my channel about that. I made some tutorial videos about that, so there is a lot of content waiting for you guys, and I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you great success with all your trades, and please don't forget, guys, you need to have a trading plan, at least get some indicators which help you to see potential resistance and support levels here based on these signals. My friends, that's it. Thank you so much. Great success with all your trades and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.